I was going to do a Facebook Live video, but I can't ever get Wi-Fi connection out here, and it lags bad and cuts on and off. So I gotta record it and then spend hours and hours uploading it to YouTube. Anyway, it is 5:30 now. I've been out here since about 10:30 last night, and since about 6 o'clock this morning I started slowing down a lot. But I've got everything on the inside sanded, all the sides sanded, ready, and I even sanded way up underneath there. I know it's got some rust on it, but heck, they didn't paint them from the factory. I just sanded enough, so I'm gonna get some paint on it, that way it looks good. Anyway, got all this done. I sanded all the jambs, the tops of the quarter panels, down to this body line, down around here. And what I want to do when I prime the jam up there, I'm going to prime this top side and just let it blow down over the edge there, and it'll fall down to there. So I'm going to do, I went ahead and sanded the tail light panel, and the reason being because just down here, up underneath there, I've got to seam seal that. So I cleaned it all off a while back, but it's been months ago and it had quite a bit of surface rust on it again. So I took a wire brush on my angle grinder and cleaned it all off real good. So I got that ready. So got all that sanded. The same with the other quarter panel. It's sanded down to that body line. And I'm going to back tape the window opening right there and then cover up the rear deck panel there where the speakers go. That way I don't get overspray all over that. And I'll have to tape up over them speaker holes too, because whenever I prime up underneath here, I don't want it blowing all through there and getting up there. So that's where we're at. I got this done, and I put some that, I can't remember, is it navel jelly or whatever. I put some of that over the where the pits were. I let that dry overnight, and I come back and sanded it. And so hopefully that seals that off. But customer just couldn't afford a whole trunk pan. I think the cheapest I seen it was like $345. And I actually found one someplace that was a one piece. I don't know what name brand it was. I don't know the quality of it, but anyway, I am one tired puppy. I've been out here somewhere between 19 and a half and 20 hours. Like I said, these last 12 hours I've been going pretty slow. I'm worn out. I was down here laying on the ground sanding that and fell asleep a couple of times. Woke up, don't know how long I've been there. So anyway, there's my update for today. So as always, like and subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up, leave any comments if you have any. Thanks for watching.